Alright, here we go.
The president's coast instrumentals.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Boy Clown. Ha! Off the top. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, I tend to lose my mind once I hit the booth and rhyme. I grip the composition and start dishing out these lines. I got these niggas wishing that they mission wasn't mine, especially when they fishing where I'm pissing all the time. This rap shit can make or break a nigga. Take a look at the hood rats, the goons, the gangsters. A real nigga told me to chill with all that gangster shit, cause in the long run that really don't make this shit. Might kill her, the flow is sharper than any knife or propeller. Send your girl around and I just might drill her. I quickly dig the bitch until she quickly grabs the pillar. Bob's the new thriller, who can maintain, yup, matter of fact tame, yup. Decide to act brave, then say my name in vain. Yes, I blow the drove, but the flow is like Kane. Once you bump a track, you'll be right back again.
Oh shit!
Fuck that.
It's real life.